So when did the 2-3 days with Gyptian turn into, okay, we're going to hold this real? Full energy right through it.
Yeah, I can't get serious by running with Gyptian. Love the party. I'm see energy. And you know, me start promoting me, I mean, I say, yeah, me start, I swear with him, got all the vibes and them something there, I mean, and he's a youth, love the energy at the time. Yeah, I didn't need the strength, so me just start give him the strength, because any artist in a party, they will give him the strength.
Did he have serious time this time, or this was after?
Yeah, he would have serious.
Because it was more, those times it was more almost like a Rasta type of.
Yeah, man, Rasta.
You went from hardcore dancehall, out badness and all everything that no way over to Rasta for them. So.
Yeah, straight Rasta boys in that thing. What I time now, me have to tell him, say, yo, or even girl more who they call that big song there. I mean, I said, Gyptian, you have to sing some different type of song. Yeah. And we have to sing some song for the girl. That's a quote. But yeah, so me, I want to do, well, I look to redeem them. Bring come game, because me have up a Russian, me have a link TJ, me have a link Sean is me have come around a genius. Anybody woman who have radio, just try to connect them up and get the radio about the Gyptian. Even one of Russian biggest song right now, when have Gyptian with Gyptian voice. I mean, made that song the voice, and they not give me the glory. Russian, they give me the glory. You see me have a song called Wine for Me, Baby, Tick-tock, girl. Chop it like that, girl, then tick-tock, nigga. Tick-tock, you see me say, that Gyptian there? Wine for Me? Yeah. That song there? I want to tell you that song there first. You see, when I come to boom and go up a Russian for the rhythm and get the rhythm, Gyptian put a culture song on it, and I tell Gyptian, say, no, I beg you, I need a song on it. I'm saying easy, and
so that wasn't what we're hearing, is not the original song that wasn't the first song that was recorded on the radio.
No, that's a second song.
Yeah.
And that's the hit song, and I mean, see that song there.
Yeah.
You see me? I went record the song, and I cried the 2 file them, go give Russian. Russian put out the 2 file them.
Or the 2 of them came.
Yeah. And that song, it will me vindicate to see that voice. You see what I say? Yeah. A history great boy, man.
And what was it about Gyptian where you know you had to kind of come out of just more culture and try to do more girl and more worldly song? Where did you see that vision in your life?
By part of the artist, you know, like I seen vision, you know, literally, I have a train. Say, me and train you, me have to just see the thing, you have to get better and try advance on the craft. And the time I made that whole heap of powerful song like Serious Time and all them something. So me I say, yo, that a transform me. You see me come on break him in a dance hall for him, come in. You see me I say, cause most of the DJ them not like play the slow song they win. You see me I say? So me I say that I sing this. Give me a girl song. Yeah man, even girl more hold them man. Around me that song the voice. Yeah. And him go back as foreign go sing it all back again.
Yeah, because I know there's 2 versions for that.
Version and the song the voice of Prince Win. You see what I say? And this over there with the voice. And Gyptian voice, it was Spragga them, but Spragga them never come back for the fight. And Gyptian is a man, love sing. So him go overseas and look like they don't know my FX them link up with the Ricky players and holidays. And in where I can't find them for the rhythm. And in those members say him have this and just sing it on it. Yeah. And then with a bill of rhythm, and I saw it work and history come. But that song the voice at Jamaica first girl more over there. Yeah.
So he would be voicing and you would go honorable campaign the song.
Yeah man, campaign the song man. Father say and them song the girl more over there. Me boss them song the girl more over there. Girl more over you. Me boss a song there. First time I give Firelings a song there for play. In ball what wrong song. And play one cartel song. What do you mean? So I'm going to try to squeeze it now and juggling Staney. Firelings silent.
Big up Staney.
Big up Staney, because Staney never hesitate. Firelings that even know that I come. But 2 Gyptian coming at the party by a backline is and spending money. And it will run with. And Staney fire this song. But the links never feel it. And drop a cartel. I'm always this song come go global yard and abroad. But that's when you see music and live a Norman yard.
100%.
So we are look for bus and a big come bus. We ain't not expect. That's why I mean believe in myself up to today and I see. You see me I say cause the same stone that the middle I refuse come turn go come stone.
100%. You guys were so Gyptian now is when you started to go on the road, when you started to fly with him and stuff and this happening and all. Was he the first one to actually take you off the island?
No. Big up Ginger. I'm always a ball for the forward the island. Ginger! Big up yourself. Yeah, see you get your glory right now. Yeah, man, Ginger the first one who, you know, really highlight me. And I was part with Gyptian. I want to know me will fly with Ginger, you know. But they are Princeville at the studio with Gyptian hang out, Ginger hang out, and big up Q. You see me I said this with the Chris Hart and all organizations. We used to clown at Princeville. And with their Princeville, I would have vibes. I'm thinking that there's a juvenile. And when we look, we see a Rasta Virgin come in. He call himself Rudy. So he must say, me I look for Ginger, but him get the direction that Ginger is up by Princeville. So him come back up on me, because for you see me, I go see Star.
Right.
So actually, just send the brother come link me the day and me the van spot. So I call Ginger and say, yo, some Bridget from St. Vincent there want to link you and they want to show with you. Link up and Ginger said, damn, no, move. Hush. Me a forward. Boom. Come in, talk to Ginger, hook them up with the management. Here comes the show to place called St. Vincent. Think that Ginger have the big song. Never know, snowy. Never reach. Here's what I say. Yeah, man. And this Ginger said, you have me quick up. Are you with the show, you know? So yeah, half a fly. Me, Ginger, Norris, man, reach the show, Ginger, give me $5 on my per diem, you know? We go enjoy ourselves, me play the chucks, and come he's like, play chucks. You see what I say? That's cool.
You seem like you just know how to make yourself useful.
No, you have to make yourself useful. I have a hand around there. You see me? Everywhere you place me, you're going to trouble. You see me? Put up on the left and the right and forward, you're going to trouble. Because he's an all-rounder. Difference, never different, but I could see that. This is the code. You know, I have a lot of experience for the music. So, I live, I'm a learn. I'm watching movements. You'll make one wrong move. Hoofs are always try to make the right move. Is a message? That's a code.
Right there. So, okay. Ginger was the first one that gave you the flag. When was the first time you flew with Gyptian?
One day as a Gyptian, go in and forward back and here's a Ginger fly me and get me one. I said, what? Ginger fly me like this? Yeah, well, never fly up.
Yeah.
I saw me get fly. Yeah, man.
Now, where was it that you guys went?
You think when to some island, you know? Yeah, when I tell you make a flight to the British Virgin Islands, I'm from Dan, what you talk to her. I think the first flight that you know about British Virgin, I talked to her with Fantan Moja. The second flight, Ginger. Yes.
So you went from hardcore dancehall to almost like culture. Come look at all the culture and them linked to it. Because remember, there was dancehall and culture was running the place at that time there too, you know. The Fantan Mojas and Chuck Cures, as you said, the Nars, every sizzler, everybody had out music at that time running the place. But this time, you decided to go to the culture lane at this time.
Yeah, man. You know, culture. Powerfully, come like culture music. You see me? And at the time when me fly go to Tartola, I was playing the sound Fire King. Me and my uncle, Wiki Waki, the girl named Salfish and Aki. That Wiki Waki we used to play other night. Okay, you see me? Yeah, my uncle that. So when me get the sound Fire King, me didn't need a mixer. So me add a pimp on the sound. You see me? As in there. You see me? And Dan Q book the show with Fantan Moja, so we dig off with the British Rails and the fix things and come back. Yeah. And after that, the song start by Gyptian and their Princeville as HQ. And so we get the show. The first flight, Ginger come broke back the spell. And then she could hear and get mad, and from there, so we fly non-stop.
So you did you did even the American and the international dates with him too?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Everyone will go with Gyptian. America, I'll go Canada. They drop it. But I got like most Caribbean, America, Europe, England, Africa, you see me? Even went to Kenya and them capture me down there, no? But they never hurt me. They say,
Hey, why you mean they captured you? What happened in Kenya?
I see your thing going in Kenya, me not for dead, you know? Wow. Yo, watch this, you know. When me there Kenya, you know, we have one place there, Mount Bessa. From Mount Bessa, we fly go. Rain fall, the show flood out. First show go on good, but the second show flood out. So you have to move when you like a bamboo dance. You know the Africans them not come out. So Gyptian get caught up in a field room and never come up. But normally they show them, me always gonna never over the show them, well the vibes to be deep to them forward. So me they go make an early start and go down there before him. So me go, you know, first time in Africa you have to know the place. Can't know the way the promoter go and juggle. So when you look time start run by you know, no Gyptian not turn up 1 o'clock, Gyptian not turn up 2 o'clock, Gyptian not turn up 3 o'clock, Gyptian not turn up. So the promoter come and say, right? Pretty men know so the people might get mad and Cartel and powerful man. I hears them love Cartel. From 2 or 10 them I say, don't I can you know. Then time them I loaded with the dog plate and then I play some Cartel down there see. In the Gyptian show. In an Egyptian show. Because you can't play in Egyptian. You can't play Egyptian.
He's gonna come sing.
I come sing.
Anything else but Gyptian.
Yeah, with that. Play around that. And the promoter come and say, yo, they are getting mad. I'm say, where you say? I'm say, you never get mad. So I say, you have a look at but if I see it, I mean, I go walk out of the place. So I said, this look like trouble United. If someone I tell you, say, never was speech on that place, leave a CD. So anyway, I know, I say, all right, oh, we are going to do it. But understand him, but me don't understand what the African them I say. And the place not even running out. So anyway, I'm left a CD, some color groups and zip up the CD pouch. Left a CD, I know. I'm saying, don't need a CD, because them time they have to have a pair of CDs, some kind of left one. So, you grab it, and I said, me move out, they say, me I go through the gate, about 3-4 man, block the place, and say, where are you going? We say, I'm going to John. Put a smile on my face and I know I laugh. The man him said, no. You can't move. I said, I'm going for Gyptian, make a move. Boy, block me. I said, no, I have to make a next test again. So I'm going to say, boom, I make a next test. Big thick boy block me and say, you can't move. Call Gyptian. Tell him to come. So the promoter started saying, I get him mad. Don't force it, calm down. And I said, oh dear, put on a plastic smile on my face back again. Take out my phone out of my pocket and I said, GP. And then I said, if I call GP and now I get him in. I said, if I call GP. And some say, yo, the man that was saying, you left. You have to forward. GP said, where are they done there, man? I say, I mean, where are they done there? That's who I come to play. Anyway, forward. So you forward. African James fell broke. I have come sing. Remember I left out of the place, same time, I couldn't go back and never tell you, because the man, them mad in the promoter can mash up in. Africa never run you at all.
But you see when, especially like Gambia and those places, when you see, I remember seeing Sizzla going to Gambia. And from the airport right to like the hotel or the venue, a wire. What? The people right behind the car. It's like any move you make.
No, I saw Gyptian deal with Africa and then first show me I wonder and I'm alone, sell off in. Feel sell off stadium, can't walk, have fight people. Remember when I sing it? You must sing these are some fight I go on. Someone witness. There one. Terrible place in the world.
You see the thing with it, because remember when you bought Cartel was the giant already when you bought him.
Yeah, man.
Gyptian he had the big song at this time here now. Well, he didn't have you see the oil took him to a completely different level.
Yeah, man.
So you've seen him come from, you're a big artist doing your thing, but you've seen him explode as an artist internationally.
Internationally. No, cause watch you know. Them thing where we sit down, me and Gyptian. I mean, Gyptian, I'm a chin like that. When she holy berries. I mean, it's cook the food, man. When I don't cook at the time, 5 dumplings, 6 dumplings, and go home and I watch all the TV and I say, yo, yes, someone reaches. I think that I hopes. You see me, I say, yo, that don't worry yourself, man, because that I'm calling many artists, not part of the show, them respect. Say, I'm a reach, man. One day. So, ask it and just give him the blessing. big up Dozer, cause at the time Dozer place with the rent of a stone here before nothing. Little. And we did there, hold it. In a Dozer apartment, the Dozer were Gyptian. And I said, greatness, and can witness greatness. Yeah, man. Trinidad, we used to the song up. Blew up first. Wicked down at Trinidad. Because I go down at Trinidad and we see it do Trinidad. Yeah, man, Geg Rise up, R.I.P. to Geg Rise up. I'm busy sick, man. I trouble on them, man. Trouble and Guinea Pepper. I go in Charlie's to the walk bus hard. Yo, when the man got up, the Mackie got up, the Mackie got up. So we talk in. For that Trinidad and play fire, man. Yeah, man.
No, because Trinidad is a place that likes the culture. They call it dub down there. They like the real
hardcore music.
That's Trinidad.
That's Trinidad, Trinidad. Yeah, man.
See, and you're doing it too, Bob. How long were you going with Gyptian for?
A good while, you know. Yeah, man, good while. I live on the road of Franks. Good while. Come was a roadie till me turn back up singing. Some come give up the selecting thing and then what me that do. And some me give it up in.
How do you you seem to just give up playing sounds easily, selective word. How do you seem to change what you're doing so easily?
No, cause what you know. Part of the Gyptian, me get love the rollings. So, at night time and at daytime, I'm in my par. So, it reach a different level in my career now, I start to play. You see me? And I'm the one who used to play the tracks. Which means should take 10 minutes out of the show with them, 15 minutes to reach tracks, we start playing the tracks straight. Yeah.
What made you leave from Gyptian?
What made me leave from Gyptian? You don't know, you know, it's a long story, you know. You see me?
We got time.
Yeah, man, we now have to talk once, but you don't know, things change. You see me, I say, I'm going to go from one. And do what me have to do.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.